vlogs, punta tayo sa kaibigan natin na si Ethel. Nagsabing punta sana sa kanila para mag-swim kasi may trabaho naman si Esme mamayang gabi. So ako na lang pipick up ng daing. Yan, on the way na tayo. This is Ethel. And
where's Sonia?
What are you talking about?
Where's Sonia?
She's coming.
Rolex. Hey Scott. Good. You got a camera, huh? Say one, say hi.
Killer.
Oh,
Where's Sonia?
Tom Tom. I saw Tom Tom.
Yeah, it's on.
Tom!
There's right there. What's that camera for?
This one?
Yeah.
Just storage shelves.
No, the camera.
Shelving.
Yeah, is that a camera?
Camera.
Huh?
Where?
Well, we don't have time to carry around the phone and YouTube, so we just film people coming in. There's enough chaos at our front door.
We've seen a lot. That can go viral.
Kids wrestling, animals peeing in shoes.
Okay. Just wanna say hi. Is there any changes in your house?
No, just people. And cats.
Cats? You got how many cats?
Yeah.
She said just people.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we added this one. I don't know. My husband just
This one?
messed it up. Yeah. He just made those holes today.
What was that? What was there before?
Shelvings.
Oh, okay.
Additional shelvings.
Oh, from the inside.
Railing there before, a railing.
Oh,
Railing.
And then
okay.
I repainted and redid the front of
Yes.
the wall.
Yeah. Please don't let the cat out.
Hey, Tommy.
Okay, see you later.
Here's Tommy, Tom.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Tommy. Bye-bye.
Vicious.
Guys. Ang dami yung kotse.
Oh.
Bakit ang dami yung kotse?
Alin yung Mustang ko?
Ito. May Corolla. Meron pa dun sa isa. Ayan, Mustang niya. Oh. Ano yan? Bakit may... Ayun, ano?
Camera!
Uy. Ayan, oh. Bakit may ganyan pa? May motor. Yung motor niya. Nagmotor na siya?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So many sets.
Wow. So many cars. Yeah. Need to buy a house, get the equity, put the down payment to another house, and get this rented out. Diyan si ano pangalan ulit nun? Yung si anak ni, si Jackie. Diyan ang nakatira.
It's better.
Diyan yung anak din niya. Ilan ba anak niyo? Dalawa? Isa?
It's way better.
Why?
Someone can
Look after.
everybody.
That's good. Yung anak mo? Si Andre. Musta na? Dito rin?
Firefighting horse.
Oh, good.
Sell
Naku.
it my bronco.
Ha?
Alit.
Asan yung bronco niya?
Wala. Nasa kanila.
Sa iba siya nakatira. Nagre-rent pa rin.
The top.
Bahay na siya, bili na siya ng bahay. Salamat dito
Oo.
Ha? Say bye to them.
Scott loves the milkfish dye.
Oh.
He loves it.
I-ano natin, i-market natin for sa mga Pilipino rito. Benta. Hello mga ka-vlogs. Babasa ko lang tong article dito na about jobs na pays between $30 to $40 an hour. The top 4 jobs, share ko lang sa inyo na ang number 1 here. Hindi naman siya in order. Marami siyang nakalist dito. Tapos may NOC 60020 Retail and Wholesale Trade Managers. Median hourly earnings is 34.97 per hour. Expected job openings in BC between 2023 to 2033 is 30,040. Retail and wholesale trade managers. So in Vancouver, expected job openings between 2023 to 2033 is 5,570. So dito rin yung financial auditors and accountants NOC 11100. It's 37.33 median hourly earnings, 37.33 per hour. And ang expected job opening in BC between 2023 and 2033 is 10,270, and expected job openings in Vancouver is 2023 to 2033 is 1,230. So the next one on the list here is therapist in counseling and related specialized therapies. NOC 41301. Median hourly earnings is $33.50 per hour. And expected job openings in BC between 2023 to 2033 is 3,770. And in Vancouver, expected job openings in Vancouver between 2023 to 2023 to 2033 is 1,000 positions. Yan. Tapos ito pa yung isa, yung licensed practical nurses, NOC 321101. Expected median hourly earnings is $31 practical nurse. Tapos ang expected job openings in BC between 2023 to 2033 is 4,280. And then expected job openings in Vancouver is 930 positions. Ayan o, lagay ko dito sa list. Ayan, pagka ayan, marami pa siya. May computer network and network web technicians. Computer network and web technicians, NOC 22220. Expected job openings between 2023 to 2033 in 10 years. It's 4,130. In Vancouver, 630 positions. So, ang pinakamaraming position na opening sa Vancouver is yung yung nabi ko kanina is therapist in counseling and related specialized therapists, NOC 41301. Tsaka yung retail wholesale trade managers, 1,570. Tsaka yung therapist. Yan. Tsaka yung financial auditors and accountants. Yan. Yung mga in demand nowadays. Ang least in demand is physician assistants, midwives, and allied health professionals, which is NOC 31303. 30 ang position available between 2023 through 2033 sa BC, sa Vancouver, 120 sa BC, and taas din yung nun, ang per hourly median average rate niya is 39.24 per hour. Yan, lagay ko dito. Yan.